Hagakhalai tari ukalaling kor arhaja arpulai ki nongilam ko All India Congress Committee na Delhi kilawan sa Shillong ban Bishar ki Kyrteng Jong ki Kyrtong ki Iakhun ki election MLA arhaja arpulai WMB ka Congress umukul wasnik uloong ka Congress kalapan kre na kabanta pan airing ki election arhaja arpulai bat shen kan sapan mi se ka thup Kyrteng ka baar
to discuss with the Pradesh Congress Committee, our district presidents, our block presidents, and our probable candidates about the preparations which have been made for the assembly elections. In another few days, the dates for elections will be announced, and I am very happy to mention here that we as a political party are in full preparedness to face these elections. Already the PCC has been able to identify candidates for about 45 constituencies. Rather, they have made recommendations to the AICC. Remaining seats, shortly they will be finalizing their recommendations, and soon we will be announcing the candidates. In the next few days, it won't be surprising if certain important leaders will join the Congress party. Already discussions have taken place, and the manner in which preparations are being made, I am confident that we will be able to regain the confidence of the people. It is a fact that many of our colleagues who have held important positions have left the party in the recent past. But nonetheless, on the basis of our existing cadre, we are able to build the organization to face the elections effectively.